Hello, welcome. In this video, we will see how to code single linear regression using Python libraries. We take the same data set used in the linear regression part 1, which is the house price dataset. We store the house data set into a CSV file named house_data.csv to load the data set easily. Let's see how to code to predict the house price for 1,480 square feet. This demo uses a Jupyter notebook with Python 3 under the Anaconda tool. It is easy to install in any operating system. Once installed, import NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib libraries. Now load the house data set using Pandas, press Shift-Enter to execute. The head command prints the top 5 rows of the data frame. The Pandas describe command is used to view some basic statistics details like mean, standard deviation, the percentile of the data frame, or a series of numeric values. Now prepare to plot the graph. Use a scatter plot under Matplotlib library to plot the graph. The data points in the scatter plot shows a linear trend, and we use the least squares method to predict the regression line. We find y equals b plus m times x in order to plot the regression line. The regression line is the best fit for the data points. Now we can easily predict the house price for any given size in square feet. As a summary, with a few lines of code, we can easily predict the house price using simple linear regression. Thank you. Please subscribe for more.